Hi everybody, this is a small update from the work or the hard times in the Philippines actually. This is the road they are making now in our subdivision, and I just want to go down to the construction workers. I know the sun is really shining and it's, I don't know, for me it's really hot, 35 degrees maybe, and I'm sweating without doing anything. And let's go down to the workers there. They work full day, start 8 I think, and they work till 5 o'clock. They have 2 short breaks of 20 minutes each, and then 1 long break from 12 till 1:30. Otherwise, they are just working here in the sun. So let's go down and I'll show you. And the salary is between 450 and 500 peso a day. So imagine then that is in Norwegian kroner. That is about 90 kroner, or let's say $9 for those of you watching from there. And so it's hard work, little money, and I'm impressed over these guys actually. I could never do this. This is too hard and too hot for me. If it was cold, maybe I could do it, but okay, let's see. Let's have a look at them. Up there is our lot. So we're gonna stay up there. Yeah, up there. So what do you think? Hard work, eh? So I have to admire them, but they have work, yeah? There's a lot of people who don't have work here, so yeah, it's a hard life. It's a hard life to be poor in the Philippines. Okay, that's it for today. Have a nice day, the rest of you. I'm happy here, even if it's hot, 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 hot.